Today's math lesson, lesson 2 in our new unit on multiplying and dividing fractions. The goal of the lesson is to start thinking about fraction as division. So we're going to do number 2 from their homework. We need to use a picture to show how 6 people could share 4 sandwiches. So if you have 4 sandwiches and you're sharing them amongst 6 people, that is 4 divided by 6. So you have 4 sandwiches. So if I'm going to draw that, I need to draw 4 rectangles. One rectangle represents a sandwich. So I have 4 whole sandwiches. I'm going to divide them amongst 6 people. So in each sandwich, I'm going to divide it into sixths. So now I have them all in sixths. Okay? So if I'm going to figure out how much each person gets, okay? I now have 24 sixths. And I'm dividing them amongst 6 people. So if I have 24 sixths divided by 6, that leaves me with 4 sixths. That's in unit form. If I want my answer in number form, that would be 4 sixths. Okay? I'm not done because I have my answer, but I haven't shown in the picture 4 sixths. So for every single one, I'm going to count these out. That's 4 sixths. And these two and those two are 4 sixths. And here's 4 sixths. And here's another 4 sixths. They have to show this. And here's 4 sixths. And finally the last 4 sixths. So that's 6 different people getting 4 sixths.